This is part 2 of how to make an EAS on iPad using KineMaster 5, CapCut Pad, and iFont. So, yeah, let's begin. First, this is part 2. So what you're gonna do, open up CapCut Pad, choose a video from here. You're going to choose this one, add it. Next, when you want to delete the logo by just making the video more bigger, as big as this. Next, what you're gonna do next, add audio. So you're gonna have to screen record the audio from here. Add it. Next, export the video. And then it should export now. What you're gonna do next, open up KineMaster 5. Then just screen new and immediately do next. Next, head into videos. Do recently saved. Just head to here. Choose this one here. What you're gonna do next, head to layer, go to effect, use transform, use perspective 1. Next, extend it all the way to the end of the video. Next, head to settings and change the extent X to negative 15. It should look like this. Well, if you want to delete that, head into media, head to photo, image says, choose the blacks, head to, head into to layer, media, photo, image says, and choose the black screen. Next, extend it all the way to the end of the video. Next, duplicate it. And just make it across here. Then it should look like this. Then next, export the video. Save as video. And then it should export to your device. And then it's complete. Now, here is the final results. Now, thanks for watching.